Hello everyone, so today we have to simplify s root of x to the power of s root of s to the power of s plus 1. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. We're going to employ the principle of exponential in solving this. Recall that nth root of a to the power of m is represented as a to the power of m over n. Again, nth root of a is represented also as a to the power of 1 over n. So we're going to apply this here, and our equation will become x to the power of x root of x to the power of x plus 1 to the power of 1 all over s root of x. Again, a to the power of m to the power of n is equivalent to a to the power of m times n. So we're going to multiply the powers. So the next line becomes x to the power of s root of x to the power of x plus 1 times 1 over s root of x. Thank you for staying tuned. So I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Click on the like button so that we can have more visibility. Also click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Alright, let's continue. So if you do this very well, it will become x to the power of x root of x to the power of x plus 1 all over s root of x. Again, nth root of a over nth root of b is equivalent to nth root of a over b. So the next line becomes x to the power of x s root of x to the power of x plus 1 over x. And from this very one, we can apply the principle that say if a is to the power of m, and again a, the same base, is to the power of n, then we can write the base ones and subtract the powers. So we're going to do that here, so that x will be to the power of s root. We're going to write the base ones and subtract the powers, x plus 1 and minus 1. Don't forget this is raised to power 1 and we are fine. And if you do this very well, plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel out. What will be left will be x to the power of s root of x to the power of x. Again, nth root of a to the power of m is equivalent to a to the power of m over n. So we're going to apply this here, and the next line becomes x to the power of x and to the power of x over x. Here x over s will cancel out. What is left is x to the power of x. And this is our final value. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Bye.